Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we will be talking about what platforms are suitable to post your comics. So I am going to be talking about 4 different platforms here, which includes Line Webtoon, Tapas, Instagram, and Facebook. Of course, there are definitely other platforms out there, or some of you might even create your own website to showcase your comics. But these 4 websites are currently the only ones that I'm using to promote my comic now. My main platform is definitely Line Webtoon and Tapas. If you're pretty much an unknown comic artist out there, then this is definitely a very good platform to promote your comic. So we have these 2 fairly similar webcomic platforms here. Let me just go through a list of pros and cons with you. Let's start with popularity. To be fair, there really isn't much difference in this. If you checked out Line Webtoon's Discover page and Tapas's comics in general, you will see that it's mostly BL and romance in general. So the both of them don't really have a difference at that. Now let's talk about discoverability. For Line Webtoons, I find that as long as you keep posting new episodes, you are bound to get like a few new readers, subscribers, and whatnot. However, for Tapas, discoverability there isn't that good as compared to Line Webtoons. Like, they really do try to promote new comics in a way, but as to if people would really go out of their way to look for new comics on the Discover page to like read, not a lot. Anyway, let's talk about getting featured. Line Webtoon features a few comics in their main Discover page every once in a while, which is pretty good, you know. You definitely get a spotlight and you get to stand out from the rest of the other waves of comic. While for Tapas, they used to do this daily snack thing on their Tapas mobile app, and I had the privilege of being featured on their spotlight page, which is their main Tapas homepage on desktop. It was definitely good publicity for me. I gained a lot of new readers after that. Moving on, engagement. I personally feel Tapas has done a better job. First thing, they don't hide who subscribes to you. You can actually go into your subscribers page and check out the many different images of our lovely subscribers, you know, and kind of get to know what kind of audience that you might have. While Line Webtoons pretty much just shows you a number. When you like someone's comment, they don't actually tell you who liked them or who disliked them, you know. On Tapas, clearly you can see who likes your comment. Also, finally and most importantly, Tapas allows small creators to get donated to. You get to say thanks to your donators, and it feels really good when someone really appreciates your work, you know. Webtoons also offer that ad revenue program as well, but you actually need to have like 40,000 plus US alone viewership there, which is, you know, it's kind of impossible for a small comic like me. So yeah, let's quickly get into Instagram and Facebook. Now, I don't actually post on any of these platforms. I mainly use these platforms to promote my comic actually. Instagram sucks because you can't post links and you only get to post it in your bio, which, and you know, unless you have like a lot of followers and you get to do a swipe up thing. Instagram and Facebook is definitely more suitable to if your comics have comic panels. For scrolling comics, definitely not so much. That is about it for today's episode. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my comic Roommates if you like to. Links down below. Feel free to support me with coffee, or you can also support me on Patreon. Till then, I shall see you in the next video. See ya!